The Amazon Black Friday 2025 madness has already started early, and today we've got 31 of the craziest early deals you can grab right now. So whether you're shopping for yourself or hunting for the perfect holiday gift, sit back and let's dive into the best early Amazon Black Friday deals of 2025. KitchenAid Variable Speed Hand Blender was $69.99, now $44.95. Whip, blend, and puree like a pro with this 8-inch stainless steel hand blender. The variable speed trigger gives you total control. Smoothies, soups, or hummus, all your way. The removable pan guard keeps your cookware scratch-free. Right now, it's 36% off, saving you $25 on a kitchen essential that does it all in seconds. Long vacation luggage was $189.999, now $148.18. It shrugs off scratches and dents while staying lightweight for smooth travel. 360-degree spinner wheels glide over any surface, airport tiles, cobblestones, even carpet. No wobble, no noise. The TSA lock keep your gear secure, while adjustable handles and dual grips make lifting easy. Save 22% today, over $40 off, and travel like you mean it. Perfect for families, frequent flyers. KIDMI Genuine Suede Clogs were $49.99, now $26.99. Crafted from 100% genuine suede and finished with an adjustable metal buckle for that timeless, effortless look. The deep heel cup and soft lining hug your feet, while the arch support and cushioned sole make them perfect for all-day wear. They're 46% off today, saving you $23 on a pair that's as stylish as it is supportive. Perfect for everyday wear and all seasons. TYMO Curl Pro Automatic Rotating Curling Iron was $59.99, now $47.99. Create effortless beach waves in minutes with this auto-rotating curling wand. Just one click for flawless, even curls every time. The cool-to-the-touch 360-degree design keeps fingers safe, while the anti-tangle mechanism automatically reverses to prevent snags. It's 20% off today, saving you $12 on a salon-quality tool that makes curling effortless and foolproof. Sakugi storage shelves were $69.99, now $44.98. Built from heavy-duty metal, this shelving unit can handle up to 1,000 pounds total weight. So go ahead, stack those boxes, bins, and tools with confidence. Whether it's your garage, pantry, or office, this 72-inch shelf helps you organize more while taking up less space. You're saving 36% today, about $25 off, for a storage upgrade that's built to last and made to handle it all. Stanley Quencher Tumbler was $45, now $23.30. Meet the internet's favorite 40-ounce hydration hero. Built from 90% recycled stainless steel, it keeps drinks ice cold or piping hot for hours with double-wall vacuum insulation. The Flow State 3-position lid rotates for a straw opening, a sip mode, or full cover to prevent leaks. That's 48% off today, saving you nearly $22 on the tumbler everyone's obsessed. Anker Nano Charger was $34.99, now $18.99. Small but mighty, this GAN-powered charger delivers super-fast charging speeds for your iPhone 17, iPad, or even your MacBook. It comes with a 6-foot USB-C cable and charges fast, safe, and smart. Everything you need in one tiny cube. You're saving 46% today, nearly $16 off, for a sleek, pocket-sized powerhouse that redefines on-the-go charging. Clean Nutraceuticals collagen pills were $34.99, now $22.12. This 16-in-1 beauty supplement packs everything your hair, skin, and nails crave. It's loaded with vitamins C, E, and apple cider vinegar for a total beauty and wellness boost. Designed for both women and men, these multi-main capsules replace a cabinet full of bottles with one powerhouse formula. You're saving 37% today, nearly $13 off, for stronger hair, glowing skin. FEIBOON Checkered Crossbody Bag was $24.60, now $22.22. This checkered nylon crossbody brings style and function together in one easy-carry design. The durable, wipe-clean material stands up to everyday use, while the spacious interior holds everything from your phone. It features removable, adjustable straps that extend up to 54 inches, making it plus-size friendly and perfect. You're saving 10% today. National Tree Company Artificial Christmas Tree was $685.90, now $349.49. Bring the holiday magic home with this artificial Christmas tree, featuring 4,026 lifelike branch tips for a full. It's pre-lit with 900 dual-color LED lights, offering 10 lighting functions. Setup is simple thanks to hinged branches and a sturdy metal stand. You're saving 49% today, over $335 off, on a tree built to shine bright for years to come. RENPHO Smart Scale was $34.99, now $19.93. Track your health smarter with this Bluetooth-enabled digital scale that measures 13 key body metrics, from weight and BMI to body fat percentage. The high-precision sensors deliver readings within 0.2 pounds, while the tempered glass top supports up to 400 pounds with sleek durability. You're saving 43% today, about $15 off, for a smart scale that turns everyday weigh-ins into real progress. GiveBest electric space heater was $32.99, now $25.49. Stay cozy all winter with this 2-in-1 ceramic heater and fan, offering 1,500 watts and 750 watts heat modes, plus a cool air option. Compact yet powerful, it warms up to 200 square feet fast and runs quietly under 45 dB. Perfect for bedrooms or home offices. You're saving 23% today, about $750 off on a safe, efficient heater that brings instant comfort anywhere you need it. Jack & Rose Travel Steamer was $81.99, now $45.99. This 2-in-1 steamer and iron heats up in just 15 seconds, delivering powerful, crisp clothes anywhere you go. It weighs only 1.6 pounds and fits easily in a carry-on, with a rotating steam head, 7.2 feet cord, and deluxe travel bag for convenience. Use the ceramic heat panel for dry ironing or steaming delicate fabrics like silk and wool. You're saving 44% today, over $36 off. Comchoi electric leaf blower was $165.99, now $99.99. This cordless packs a 900,000 RPM motor, perfect for clearing leaves, grass, or even light snow. Includes two 4.0-hour batteries and a fast charger for up to 150 minutes of runtime. Weighs just 3.6 pounds, with 5 adjustable speeds and an ergonomic no-tool setup. You're saving $66 today, 40% off, on a lightweight, all-season must-have for patios, lawns, and driveways. OCOOPA hand warmers were $26.99, now just $15.99. These sleek, card-style warmers heat up in 2 seconds and slip easily into gloves or pockets. Each unit packs 5,000 milliamp hours of power for up to 8 hours of steady warmth, and the magnetic design lets you snap them together or split them for both hands. You're saving 41%. That's warmth, convenience, and peace of mind in your pocket. BFPETHOME Orthopedic Dog Bed was $48.99, now just $31.98. Built with high-density egg crate foam, it cushions joints and muscles, perfect for older pups or big dogs who love to sprawl. The soft rose-pattern plush surface soothes and calms, while the U-shaped bolsters cradle your dog's head for extra comfort. You're saving 35% today on a cozy, supportive retreat your dog will never want to leave. PRETTYGARDEN Lounge Set was $46.99, now only $29.87. A 36% savings on the perfect fall and spring travel outfit. This matching set pairs a relaxed, dolman sleeve crewneck top with high-waisted joggers that feature an adjustable drawstring for a comfy, flattering fit. Soft, cozy fabric keeps you warm on cool days, while the tapered pants create a clean, polished look. Ideal for lounging, errands, or airport travel. SUUKSESS Cashmere Cardigan was $55.99, now $43.97. A 21% savings on cozy fall style. Crafted from a luxe blend with 15% cashmere, this soft, breathable knit is thick enough for warmth but light enough for layering. Gold buttons add a polished touch to the cropped, modern fit. Whether you're dressing up for a date night, heading to class, or cozying up for the holidays, this cardigan delivers timeless comfort with a trendy twist. Totes storage bags were $23.99, now $16.58. That's 31% off for a 6-pack of versatile organizers. Each spacious 17-gallon bin keeps blankets, clothes, or bedding neatly stored in breathable, odorless, non-woven fabric. Reinforced handles make moving day easier, while the clear window lets you spot what's inside without opening. These foldable fabric bags are lightweight and flexible, perfect for dorms, closets, or seasonal storage. The Kitsch satin pillowcase was $18.99, now $14.53. That's 23% off a beauty sleep essential. Softer than silk, this satin pillowcase helps reduce frizz, tangles, and sleep creases, keeping hair smooth and skin fresh. The zippered closure keeps it snug through the night, while the cool, breathable fabric feels luxurious and gentle on your face. Loved by millions worldwide, it's the ultimate upgrade to your nightly routine. Yankee Candle Spiced Pumpkin was $24.99, now $19.28, 23% off a fall classic. This 22-aughts large jar delivers up to 150 hours of cozy, room-filling fragrance with notes of pumpkin, cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove, rounded out by creamy vanilla. Made in the USA, with a premium plant wax blend and natural fiber wick, perfect for crisp evenings or anyone who wants their home to smell like freshly baked pumpkin pie all season long. Meet Sun Retro Polarized Sunglasses 3-pack was $19.99, now just $9.99. That's 50% off for triple the style. Each pair features TAC HD polarized lenses that cut glare from roads, water, and snow while restoring true color and clarity. UV 400 protection shields your eyes from 99.99% of harmful rays, keeping them safe under any sun. With classic 80s-inspired frames in trendy colors, a stylish, practical steal for under $10. King Fun Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier was a $149.99, now $74.99, half off for double the adventure. With 20 cubic feet of space, it holds up to 6 suitcases, tents, or sleeping bags. Made from thick, waterproof, and tear-resistant PVC, it shields your gear from rain, sun, and rough roads. Setup's a breeze with 8 reinforced straps, 6 door hooks. Works with or without a roof rack. Save 50% and upgrade your next road trip. Ophanie 5x8 Fluffy Area Rug was $64.99, now $39.99, 38% off for instant cozy vibes. Sink your toes into ultra-soft shag with a plush sponge layer that cushions every step. The non-slip bottom keeps it steady, even in high-traffic spots or kids' rooms. The minimalist solid-color design adds warmth and texture to any space, living room, bedroom, dorm, or nursery. Crock-Pot Slow Cooker was $59.99, now $35.99. 40% off the Set It and Forget It kitchen essential. Big enough for a 7-pound roast or dinner for 9+, it's perfect for family meals or entertaining. Choose high, low, or warm settings to cook at your pace, then serve straight from the removable stoneware insert. Oven and microwave safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleanup's a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Keurig Coffee Maker is now $127.30, 39% off was $209.99. Choose from 4 12-aughts brew sizes and customize your cup with strength and temperature control for your ideal flavor. The iced coffee option brews hot over ice for a refreshing chill, while the hot water on demand button is perfect for tea, oatmeal, or soups. With a large 75-aughts removable reservoir, you can brew up to 8 cups before refilling. VTop Mart storage drawers are now $21.99, 52% off, was $45.98. That's just 550 cents per drawer for a clean, clutter-free home. Their stackable design saves space while keeping items easy to find, and built-in handles with non-slip pads make every pull smooth and secure. Ideal for any countertop, vanity, or under-sink setup, these sleek, transparent drawers keep your home organized and stylish. Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness Smartwatch is now $190.95, 40% off, was $199.95. It features a daily readiness score, built-in GPS, and 40-plus exercise modes to track every move. Stay motivated with real-time stats, active zone minutes, and 24/7 heart rate monitoring. Sleep better with personalized sleep profiles, sleep score, and a smart wake alarm that helps you rise rested. With stress tracking, SpO2 monitoring, and 6+ days of battery life. Food Saver Vacuum Sealer Machine is now $99.99, 32% off, was $146.98. A kitchen essential for keeping food fresh and flavorful up to 3 years in the freezer. Designed for convenience and savings, it features automatic bag detection and a built-in roll cutter to create custom-sized bags, reducing waste. Enjoy consistent, airtight seals with its dual heat sealing strips, ideal for storing leftovers or preparing meals for sous vide cooking. Broom and Dustpan Set for Home is now $15.29, 24% off, was $19.99. A a simple yet smart cleaning upgrade for every home or office. This 51-inch adjustable stainless steel handle lets you sweep comfortably without bending over, saving your back and your time. The built-in dustpan comb teeth make it easy to remove hair and debris from the broom bristles, a lifesaver for pet owners tired of fur clinging to their tools. RENPHO Massage Gun is down 36% to $69.99, was $109.99. Designed with a premium metal body and a high-torque brushless motor, this percussion massager delivers deep, powerful relief that melts away muscle tension, knee soreness. Customize your session with 5 speeds and 5 interchangeable heads to target every muscle group, smartly built with a 10-minute auto-off timer for safety.